Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. I'll be helping you learn how to log into UberEATS. UberEATS is an American online food ordering and delivery platform launched by Uber in 2014, and it is based in California. In order to log into UberEATS, go to your web browser, first type in www.UberEATS and enter from the official website of UberEATS. In order to sign in, click on the Sign In button in the upper right corner. You can sign into UberEATS with your email address or your mobile number. Enter anyone you'd like, and after you're done, click on the Next button. On the next page, enter your password in order to sign in. In case you've forgotten the password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions. To reset your password, click on the Next button for verification purposes. A 4-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. Just enter the code that you received and click on Verify after that you will be logged into your UberEATS account. You can simply enter your delivery address and start ordering. That is how you can sign into UberEATS. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.